So what do you think of the transplant?
Yeah, superb. Went really well. Ran smoothly. Like Dr. Gupta and his team did an amazing job.
I'm going to present Dave to you. He's 43 years old and had a FUE hair transplant with us 17 months ago. He had hair loss of the interior one half of the scalp. As you can see here, it's a Norwood 4 pattern. You can see the growth has been very good with high density. You can see the hairline is very natural. It's a very natural hairline, high density. You can see this is the transplanted area and this is his natural hair. There is a slight difference in color and you can see it. So this is the transplanted portion, this is the non-transplanted portion, and you can see that they merge very nicely together. This is the donor area and you can see understandably, and there is no scarring, visible scarring, and it's a very good uniform regrowth. So what do you think of the transplant?
Yeah, superb. Went really well. Ran smoothly. Like Dr. Gupta and his team did an amazing job. Very happy with it.
Have you had any, have your friends and
Oh yeah.
patients and other people said anything?
Sure,
or friends
yeah.
said anything?
People at the office, friends, even my barber. My barber said, "Hey, I've seen a lot of these, but yours is one of the best I've ever seen."
And how do you feel about now going to social functions and
Oh yeah.
other important events?
I feel at least 10 years younger. Yeah.
Do you wish you had done this sooner maybe, or how do you feel about that?
Maybe a little bit sooner, but I think it was timed right.
The time right is when you were losing hair, right?
Yeah.
What would be your advice to anybody looking to do a transplant and not sure whether hair transplants work, or about your experience at the clinic?
Yeah, it was seamless. It went very smoothly. You and your staff and the team here were excellent. I'd recommend it to anyone.